Get out.
Get out of the car.
Turn around.
Get out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, just stop. I'm not that guy. Get on the ground now. On the ground. On the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
Hands
your back.
behind your back.
Get in your car. Central, he just pulled away from us. I want to be by Murphy's right now. Get out of your car.
Pretty clear.
Felony stop, Reed. Felony stop. Get him out of the car, Reed. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You got your baton on you? You got your baton on you?
No, I do not.
I'll bust the other side. Open the door, I'm gonna bust your window. Open the door, I'm gonna bust your window. Get out of the car, you're gonna get tased. I'm tasing you. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Just tell me the issue.
Get out of the car.
Bro.
Get out of the car.
Why?
Because
I'm about to tase you. I'm tasing you if you don't get out of the car. That's the last time I'm telling you.
You're not telling.
Get out of the car.
You're still not telling the reason why.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Just tell me the reason why. That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order.
You're not any of that. I didn't do anything that stopped or any of that.
Two 67
What the fuck do
Central.
you think
I
it
don't
is?
know.
Has a pepper ball.
Step out of the car.
There's no reason to.
Because I told you to.
He's gonna get pepper balled if he doesn't get out. Justin, if you don't get out of the car, you're gonna get
For what?
pepper balled.
You don't even know who I am.
Are you? Yes, you. Yes, we
Who
do.
am I?
Get out of the car.
Who am I?
Central, if you do have a deputy, go ahead and send him our way with the pepper ball.
Okay. I mean, I've already dealt with the pepper ball.
Yep,
I've dealt
get out of the
with
car.
Stun shield. I'm not that guy.
Get out of the car.
I work for child welfare.
We don't care. Get out of the car.
You don't care.
Get out of the
Just
car.
Leave Canada.
Get out of the car.
You opened my door without.
Get out of the car.
You didn't open my door with permission. I'm not
Chad,
that guy.
give it just a second. We'll get a
Not
pepper
that
ball
guy.
over here, pepper ball him and get out.
Better quit. Okay.
Let go of me.
You got
And
pepper
I'll
spray?
call Jason Mosley.
You got pepper spray?
I'll call Jason Mosley.
I don't care.
I'll play these games.
Get out of the
dude.
car.
Let
There's
go.
no reason to.
Get out of the car. It's a
Right.
lawful order. Get out.
That's not a lawful order.
It is.
What did I do that was wrong?
You're intoxicated.
For what?
Get out of the car. Now.
You're intoxicated.
Okay, but you're playing all these games. To play these
Get out of the
games.
car.
Just talk to me.
Get
and
out of the
just
car.
Deal with
Get out
the
of the car.
issue. Why
Get
are
out
you
of the
hitting
car.
me? Just
Because I
talk
told
to
you
me.
numerous times to get out of the car.
Just talk to me.
Just step back. We'll pepper ball him whenever it comes to it.
Okay, I'll call Jason.
He's coming. Oh, he's on his way.
Okay, good.
Get out of the car.
There's no reason to.
Get out of the car. You're intoxicated. Get out of the car. I can smell it coming from your breath. Get out of the car.
Okay.
And that's assault on a police officer. Because
How
you
is
just threw
that
that at
assault
me.
on a police?
Because you just threw that at me.
Because I'm getting assaulted.
Get out of the car.
Because you're disobeying lawful order.
There's no reason.
You got a pepper ball?
Yeah. Get out of the car.
Okay. But you're trying to assault.
Put your hands on the car. Get out.
Do that if you're gonna be
now. Unlock it.
5788.
Take your seatbelt off. Get out of the car now. Don't reach for anything. Just get out.
Get out!
3, 2, get back.
Get out.
Get out of the car.
Turn around.
Get out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, just stop. I'm not that guy.
Get on the ground now. On the ground. On the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
Hands
your back.
behind your back. Do it now.
I'm a child welfare specialist.
I don't care what you are. Hands behind your back.
Get behind your back or
Okay.
you're going to get
Drive,
tased.
son.
Okay.
Get your hand. You have a baton.
No.
I'll pull it.
So
I'll
you
try it
want
out.
Get your
Assault
hands
me?
behind your back now.
You want to assault me?
That's me right there. Don't fight.
You have my hand.
Ty, you got it.
Give me your other hand, dude.
Quit
You got a
hitting me in the
baton?
head. I apologize.
You got a baton.
Apologize for hitting me. Because you're wanting to play these fucking games and hit motherfuckers. Who does that?
267 Central.
What do you do when somebody doesn't do it?
You assault somebody
Central,
for
could you
hitting
get
somebody?
EMS rolled this
That's
way?
not a reason.
He has blood
I'm not
coming
that
out of his
motherfucker,
face.
dude.
I don't know who you're
Your
talking
support's
about.
with you.
I'm talking about you.
So then roll him over.
You're not gonna hurt me. Tell Jason Mosley.
Fine, you
come
can
here.
lay on your stomach then.
All right. Tell Jason Duncan.
Oh, you're getting felony charges. So.
Good.
Yeah, he hit me
Tell
and
him.
bit Lindsay.
Tell him. I
Bring my
have my
taser
body
phones at
cam
me.
too. You want to play? I'll play them too. I'm
Yeah.
not that guy.
He's good. Just leave him there.
Dude, quit trying to assault me. I'm not that guy. I done told you.
Well, you have about 3 or 4 felony counts going on you now.
For what?
Assault on a police officer.
What did I do to assault you, Justin?
You bit him and you hit
What
me.
did I do that assaulted him? What did I do? Because somebody starts hitting me and I don't allow them to do it? And you want to play this game? You know who the fuck I am. You've seen me.
Do what? We already got
You
it.
don't?
Thank you.
Okay. Well, then don't keep calling.
I'm going to get your hand sanitizer. Oh, he threw my taser prongs at me while it was still going. He threw my taser prongs at me while it was still going.
They must not know who that is or something.
How many times did he hit you?
Taking pictures. Hit me once. Hit me once.
Hey, will you put in my call notes that White Horse 1156 was bit and hit? I was hit as well. And my taser prongs were thrown at me.
1156 was bit and hit.
Yeah, and I was hit. And then,
What's up?
We got to call you. They was concerned about you, and we was just doing a welfare check on you.
Who? From who?
What's that?
From who?
From who was it? Oh. Are you okay?
No,
What's going on?
I'm fine.
You say you're not okay?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Okay. Hey, stop, stop, sir, stop.
Central, he just pulled away from us. Clear. We're being by Murphy's right now. Other units, 3 clear.
Step out of the car. Why did you pull away from me?
Because I don't have anything to talk to you about.
Step out here and talk to us. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I'm not going.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
No. Why?
Get out of the car.
Why?
Because I told you to.
That's not a reason.
You got your baton on you?
I do.
You got your baton on you?
No, I do not.
What's up?
Move. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Bro.
I'm not that guy.
What?
I'm not that guy.
Get out of the car.
I'm not Lindsay. I'm not any of that.
What's get out of the car? Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Just tell me this.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Why?
Because I told you to.
I'm tasing you. You don't get out of the car. That's the last time I tell you.
You're not telling me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Just tell me the reason why.
Because I'm telling you to.
That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order.
You're not. I'm not Lindsay.
You're on a traffic stop.
I'm not any of that. I didn't do anything that stopped for any of that. Leave me alone.
Step out of the car.
No.
Step out of the car.
There's no reason to.
Because I told you to. I gave you a lawful order.
That's not a lawful order.
It is. Step
For
out of the
what?
car.
You don't get out of the car. You're gonna
For
get
what?
involved.
You don't even know who I am.
Are you? Yes, you. Yes,
Who
you.
am
Get out of the
I?
car.
Who am I? Okay. I mean, I've already dealt with that.
With what?
With the pepper ball.
Yeah,
I've
get out of
done
the
with the
car.
stun shield. I'm not the guy.
Get out of the car.
I work for child welfare.
care. Get out of
You
the
don't
car.
care.
Car.
You opened my door
Get out
without.
of the car.
You didn't open my door with permission. I'm not that guy.
Give it this. We'll get
Not
a
that
pepper ball.
guy,
We're
bro.
gonna pepper ball you.
We're going to
better
pepper ball
quit.
you.
Okay.
Let go of me.
You got
And I'll call
that?
Jason Mosley.
I don't.
I'll call Jason Mosley.
I don't care.
I'll play these games,
Get out
dude.
of the car.
Let
There's
go.
no reason to.
Get out of the car.
For
It's a
what?
lawful order. Get out.
That's not a lawful order.
It is.
What did I do that was wrong?
You're intoxicated.
From what?
Get out of the car. Now.
You're intoxicated.
Okay, but you're playing all these games to
I'm
play
not.
these
Get
games.
out of the car.
Just talk to me.
Get
and
out of the
just
car.
deal with
Get out of the car.
issues. Why
Get
are
out
you
of the
hitting
car.
me? Just
Because
talk
I've told
to
you
me.
numerous times to get out of the car.
Just talk to me.
Just step back. We'll pepper ball you.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to pepper ball you when we
Okay.
get here.
And I'll call Jason Mosley and play these
Oh,
games.
he's on his way.
Okay, good.
Get out of the car.
There's no reason to.
Get out of the car. You're intoxicated. Get out of the car. I can smell it coming from your breath. Get out of the car.
Okay.
And that's assault on a police officer.
How is that assault on a police
Because you
officer?
just threw that at me.
Because I'm assaulted.
Get out of the car.
Because you're disobeying a lawful order.
There's no reason to.
Yeah. Get out of the car.
Okay. But you're trying to assault me.
Put your hands up on that car.
No.
Put your hands
There's
Put
no
your hands up on
reason
that car.
to do that if you're going to be like that.
Out of the car.
Okay, I'm
Now.
not scared of that.
Unlock it.
It's unlocked. It's open.
Take your seatbelt off. Get out of the car now. Don't reach for anything. Just get out.
Get out.
There's no reason to be like this.
Get back.
Get
Go.
out.
Get out of the car.
Turn around.
Get out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, just stop. I'm not that guy.
Get on the ground now. On the ground. On the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
Hands
your back.
behind your back. Do it now.
I'm a child welfare specialist.
I don't care what you are. Hands behind your back.
Okay.
Drive center. Drive center.
Get your hand. You have a baton?
No.
I'll pull it.
I got one.
Get your hands behind your back now.
You want to assault me?
Let's stand right there.
Don't fight me.
Ty, you
Bit my
got
damn
it.
leg.
He just hit me.
One hand secure.
Give me your other hand, dude.
Stop the distance and give him a hand.
Apologize.
Give us your other hand, dude.
Apologize for getting you.
we go. Just go.
What the hell is wrong with you, man?
Because you're one. Who does that?
We do when somebody doesn't do a low bail lawful
assault
order.
Somebody for hitting somebody? That's not a reason. You're not gonna hurt me. I done
Roll
told
over.
you. Tell Jason Mosley.
Fine, you can lay on your stomach then.
All right. Tell Jason Duncan.
Oh, you're getting
Good.
felony charges.
Good. Tell him. Tell him. I have my body cam too.
Thanks
You
for
want to
breaking
play
my
these
glasses.
fucking games justly? I'll play them too. I'm not that guy.
He's good, just leave him there.
Dude, quit trying to assault me. I'm not that guy. I done told you who the fuck I was.
Well, you have about 3 or 4 felony counts going on you
For
now.
what?
Assault on a police officer.
What did I do to assault you,
You
Justly?
bit him and you hit
What
me.
did I do that assaulted him? What did I do? Because somebody starts hitting me and I don't allow them to do it?
He also
And you want to play this game?
I don't care who you are.
You don't? Okay. Well, then don't be calling a joint response and all.
I can guarantee you, you're not going to be put your foot underneath you.
Okay.
Foot underneath you.
Dude,
I'm helping you stand up.
Just quit bending my wrist and I'll help you up.
I'm going to get your arm.
Okay.
No,
On my wrist.
stand up.
Leg on my wrist. Just help me up. You're going to help me. There's no reason to be like this. I've escalated this to what it needs to be, and that's fine. Bro,
Hey,
you're
hey,
not going to take
hey.
me down.
Yeah, we can put him in mine right here. All right.
You got a hard back seat?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there.
You're right.
Go. Have a seat.
You had it by. Got one. Are you my shoe?
We're gonna get it.
Go get it.
Get in there.
I'm sitting down. I need my shoe. My foot's burning.
Get in.
Okay. I'm in here.
Put your butt
I
on that
want my
chair.
shoe. Get my shoe and I'll be
We're
fine.
gonna get it.
Bro, I'm telling you how to help me.
Slide back, bro.
I'm not playing these games.